You know what happened is that, like the doctor correctly said, it was not just that I had to lose weight or lose fat, but I also had to put on muscle. So what I really did, a lot of people don't realize is that while I was putting on weight, I was building muscle. And I was also, my training was of a particular kind which was focusing on building the size of the muscle. So uh, that process was lasted for a year and a half or so. And remember that I had already built muscle before that for Dhoom 3 and PK. So my muscle was already there. I was not having to create the muscle, which is tougher. So I was building on that, putting on weight and muscle, growing fatter and bigger. You could not see the muscle because it was covered by a thick layer of fat. So you just saw a fat man. But underneath that fat was muscle, which visually you could not see. And that was a thing that in the last 5 months, when I had to shed the fat, at that time I was not necessarily building muscle because that would have been very difficult. So I was actually shedding the fat and not really building the muscle, but maintaining the muscle. We didn't want to lose the muscle that I had built. We had to maintain the muscle and shed the fat. So in that 5 months period, a lot of people feel I shed fat and built muscle in the 5 months. No, I built muscle over 2.5 years. And
How
actually,
did
I
you
shed
manage,
fat in the last five
even,
months.
Even in 5 months,
How do you
shed
lose
that
the? Yeah, it was a.
How did you manage like talking to
Oof,
them, because
it was very difficult.
you were in the US and you weren't at that
Yeah.
point. It's only later you went to Texas.
Yeah.
So how did you
Well,
communicate? How was
we communicated on WhatsApp, and through Skype and FaceTime and emails. What was important was that I completely trusted the plan that doctor had made, so I had to just follow that plan. And when I started the weight loss, the fat loss rather, I was so fat, and so I had 38% body fat, and it looked like I would never make it, because when I started the process, I was like, in the first 2 weeks, though you lose faster at that rate in the beginning, but still you realize that बाप रे, it's a long way to go यार. 2 हफ्ते में आपने, चलो अगर 4 किलो भी you lose किया, तो उसमें से पूरा 4 किलो शायद fat ना हो. And at that time I felt very disheartened. In the beginning, I felt ये नहीं होएगा मेरे से. I've taken on more than I can chew. पंगा ले लिया मैंने इस दफा. ये होएगा नहीं. I used to look at myself in the mirror and I was really fat, so I was like, this is not going to happen. And then I said, if I keep looking at where I'm supposed to reach and where I am now, it will scare me. It will dishearten me. I'll give up. I don't want to give up. So I stopped doing that. Instead of, if I have to climb Himalaya and I'm sitting here on the plains at sea level and I'm looking at Himalayas, I'm thinking I'll never make it. Too difficult. So I stopped looking at the destination and I stopped looking at the distance I have to travel. Instead, I made my gaze go lower and I just looked down and I said, where is my next step going to be? आज का कदम किधर डालना है? इधर डालना है. Next कदम इधर, next कदम इधर. Every day, it's one day at a time. Think one day at a time. Tell yourself that today I will not break my diet. Just today. Don't think of 5 months. Today I will keep my diet. Today I will stick to what I'm supposed to do. Don't look up, because if you look up, you say, अरे बहुत दूर है. ऊपर नहीं देखने का, नीचे देखने का. Head down, so one step at a time, one step at a time. And then, when you do that continuously for 3-4 months, then when you look up, you feel, अरे यार इतना दूर नहीं है, काफी अपन नजदीक आ गए. तो फिर थोड़ा excitement आता है कि अरे it's happening. So don't compare the distance every day. You will feel disheartened. At least in my case, because the distance was so far. That was one. Second is I had some tactics. Now what happens is that, as we all know, workout is important, but much more important than that is the diet you follow, the nutrition you follow. Much more important than that. I can lose weight without doing an inch of workout. Not a single day I need to work out, but just by following a healthy, balanced diet, I will be able to lose the fat. So, for me, following the diet was more important than the training actually. And in that, I had some tactics. Now, what happens is that when you are following the diet, on a particular day, you feel weak. I have a lot of meetings at home. I'm sitting at home and someone has come to meet me. Obviously, my guests are served with, you know, food. Snacks, food, sandwiches, samosas, wafers, all the very things I'm not supposed to eat is put in front of them. तो कभी कभी मुझे लगता है यार एक समोसा तो मार ही लेते हैं यार.
मारा ही था.
हाँ
You
तो
had something, right?
so no, that came later. That came later. So my first tactic is that when I'm tempted, tell yourself, if you're tempted to have that ice cream or that cake or that samosa, tell yourself, yeah, no problem, Amir, you're going to have it. Just give it 5 minutes. अभी मत खा, 5 मिनट के बाद खा ले. Just delay it by 5 minutes. You will be surprised in that 5 minutes. आपका बैलेंस संतुलन वापस आ जाता है. नहीं अच्छा हुआ मैंने नहीं खाया यार. 5 मिनट में मेरे को अकल ठिकाने आ गई मेरी. Just by delaying it by 5 minutes, it makes a big difference. Suddenly you realize कि you know what, actually I'm okay without it here. इतना टेंशन नहीं हो रहा है. So most days that works. On some days that fails. Even after 5 minutes you're like, यार 5 मिनट हो गए अब तो मेरे को लेना ही पड़ेगा. So then I have a second tactic. If the first step doesn't work, I tell myself, okay, I will have the samosa, but after a glass of water. तो फटाक से 1-2 गिलास पानी पी लेने का. तो जब पानी जाता है ना पेट में तो लगता है कि भर गया यार पेट, अभी खाने का इतना मन नहीं कर रहा है. तो water is a good extinguisher of the desire to suddenly eat something. So that is a second tactic of mine. Then if that also doesn't work, and you feel कि नहीं यार, I have to have it. And there are times when you end up breaking your diet. Now there are ways and means of breaking your diet. Suppose there are 2 ways and means of breaking your diet. I'm very hungry. Whatever portions doctor has given me, they are over. It's now 12 o'clock at night. I'm reading a book or I'm watching a film and it's going to go on for another 1 hour. I'm very hungry. I need to eat something. I'm very hungry. Now at that time, I'm going to be breaking my diet. मैं भी समझ गया हूँ 5 मिनट निकल गया है, पानी 2 गिलास पी लिया है, और सब कुछ हुआ नहीं फायदा. अभी मेरे को खाना पड़ेगा कुछ. So instead of eating an ice cream or a chocolate or something which is, sugar and deep fried and, आप 4 egg white omelette with 1 toast. तो आपका पेट भी भर जाता है और इतना कैलोरी अंदर नहीं जाता. So eat something sensible at that time. If you really have to break your diet, eat something sensible. Have a fruit, eat something sensible. And if you're tempted for something non-sensible, कि यार मेरे सामने जो आइसक्रीम पड़ी है वो मुझे खाना है और अब सब टैक्टिक्स हो गया और मुझे खाना ही पड़ेगा, तो फिर क्वांटिटी comes in play. Just eat 1 spoon. तो क्या मेंटली आपने खा भी लिया, आपको उसका टेस्ट भी मिल गया और आपने बड़ा डैमेज नहीं किया कि पूरा टब खाली आइसक्रीम का, मतलब यहाँ का वहाँ हो गया. हाँ, सब दही हो गया सब. So these are the things I used to follow. But despite that, in the middle, I have to confess, I don't know what date that was, doctor, but in the middle, I realized that I'm breaking my diet. So somewhere in the middle, I had lost a lot of weight, but I was halfway there. I was not fully there. Suddenly, I realized that 1 week has not gone well. Second week has not gone well. Achha, one very important thing, you have to measure yourself once a week. That is very important. Every Sunday, I measure myself. Because that tells me, are you on track or not? Has this week gone well or not? How much is the weight loss? How much is the measurement loss? And how much is the fat loss based on caliper? I go by the caliper method. तो पता चलता है कि मैं सही रास्ते पे जा रहा हूँ, नहीं जा रहा हूँ, कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है, I need to report to doctor. Every week I send him the measurements. So he comes to know if he wants to alter the diet, he can tell me something. But if I don't measure myself, I won't know where I'm headed. Is there progress? Is there not progress? Right. So measuring yourself every week is very important. So I realized in my measurements also and in my habits also that I'm messing up. I'm getting tempted. I'm breaking my diet. I'm not able to, with all my efforts, I'm struggling. And it happens to all of us. I'm struggling. It's not happening. So after 2 weeks, I called up doctor and I said, doctor, lafda ho gaya yaar. हो नहीं रहा है यार, मैं यहाँ तक तो पहुँच गया हूँ, लेकिन अब पता नहीं क्यों मैं फिसल रहा हूँ. मैं सोचता हूँ हर दिन के मैं करूँगा, लेकिन मैं फिसल रहा हूँ. तो what should I do? He said, what do you want me to do? I said, allow me to text you every 2 hours. Every 2 hours I will send you a WhatsApp and tell you that this is what I've eaten. Though you are in the US and you will be sleeping when I'm texting you because it's daytime for me. But at least when you wake up, you will read 8-10 texts of mine saying in the day, I ate this at 9 o'clock, at 11 o'clock I ate this, at 1 o'clock I ate this, at 3 o'clock I ate this. And the way I do it is that I text doctor saying that it's 8 o'clock in the morning, I've had my breakfast, and I ate this, exactly what you told me. And my next meal is at 10. That also I inform him. My next meal is at 10 and it will be this. Okay, when you eat your meal, immediately after that you should spend 30 seconds thinking कि अगला meal कितने बजे? इतने बजे. अच्छा, तो क्या खाऊंगा मैं? ये और ये खाऊंगा. Okay, done. तो आपका माइंड क्लियर हो जाता है कि भैया इतने बजे मुझे ये 3 चीज खानी है. 50 ग्राम ये, 10 ग्राम ये. तो you know then your chances of you slipping become less because you know what you're eating and when you're eating. Don't leave it because after 2 hours you'll be hungry that time. वो टाइम पे जो सामने आएगा आप खा लोगे. तो सोचो, थोड़ा प्लानिंग करो कि अगले 2 घंटे के बाद मैं. So I started texting doctor, if you remember, that this is what I'm eating and all that. So that reporting to him brought me back on track because I realized that he will be reading the text. मेरे को नाक नहीं कटानी है डॉक्टर के साथ. तो थोड़ा प्रेशर आया. Then slowly, then after that, then I got back into track, and then it was smooth sailing after that. Yeah.